Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and this is just a real quick unboxing and first impressions video of the two major accessories that I picked up for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And basically, once I'm done with all of my Pixel Watch coverage, we're going to dive into the coverage on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So, real quickly here, I'm going to give it a deep cleaning. I got my microfiber cleaning cloths, my disinfected wipes, and we got our case and privacy tempered glass screen protector here. And y'all already know what type of case I had to go with. That full protective style case with MagSafe capabilities and a privacy tempered glass screen protector. Alright? So y'all already know these are very similar accessories to accessories that I've covered on other devices on the channel, with the most recent device being the iPhone 15 Plus. And I actually got a request to compare the cameras on the iPhone 15 Plus versus the iPhone 13 Pro Max so they could see the differences. I'm not going to do a straight comparison video, but what I will do is have a full camera review style video for both devices, and I'll make sure I put those videos out back to back so you guys and gals can go and watch one and then watch the other one. And I will try to make sure the photos and video is similar across both so y'all can do an even comparison for yourself. But these are the two accessories that I picked up for the iPhone 15 Plus. I'll have links to these down below in the video description, and that will be affiliated links. So if you guys and gals decide to make your purchase using those affiliate links, I do get a small commission from that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. I'll also have linked up all of my other iPhone 13 Pro Max coverage and all of my other iPhone 15 Plus coverage for y'all to check out. Today's video is being recorded with the rear-facing primary camera on the Google Pixel 6a in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up, but I am using the speech enhancement feature on the Pixel, and I am using my professional studio lights as well. So that's enough talk. Real quick rundown of what we're going to be taking a look at here today. Let me pause the video. Let me get the screen protector installed. Then we're going to come back and go through the case, and I'm going to give you my first impressions on both. Alright, and what's really nice about the screen protector is it's a 2-pack, and they give you everything that you need included, except for there's no assistant installation tray. So this one's going to be a little bit harder to install, but you get everything else, including some really nice instructions. But anyway, let me pause the video. I'll be back, then we'll take a first look at the case, and then we'll wrap today's video up. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back with everyone. See y'all in a little bit. Alright, and now I just finished getting the screen protector installed. Alright. And I went through all the steps, and I gave y'all a tips and tricks video on what to do to make sure you get the best possible install for your screen protectors. I followed all those tips and tricks. I just didn't go over it again on camera because I've done it multiple times now. But you can see we have the privacy tempered glass screen protector installed on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Alright, so now let me position you guys in the traditional reviewer style angle, and we'll come back and do a unboxing and first impressions for the case. And then I'll give you my first impressions overall for the screen protector and the case, and we'll wrap this video up. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Alright, case unboxing and first impressions overall time. Now this is a traditional inexpensive case. I got this one on Amazon. I already showed y'all how much I paid, and again, links for this will be down below in the video description. But really nice, straightforward packaging here. You can see this is indeed for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Okay, y'all have seen this style of case on the channel before. Pretty straightforward stuff. And again, barcode information, really straightforward and clean packaging. A little busy for my taste, but it is what it is. But let's crack into this. Okay. And again, one of the main selling points for this case is the full protection and the MagSafe capabilities. That was one of my main reasons for picking up this style of case, along with the fact that it is rocking one of my favorite colors. So that was really, really nice as well. And it does come very, very nicely packaged. Alright. Gotta remove some tape on the inside here. If I can grab it. I didn't do a good job of grabbing it, but you gotta remove some tape on the inside. Boom. Just like that. And of course it gets stuck to me. So you remove the tape on the inside. Let me drop it on the device. Alright. So it should just line up and snap into place. Just like that. And y'all can see it is screen protector friendly. I do have the privacy tempered glass screen protector that I just installed. And y'all can see I got it to fit almost perfectly. Okay. And now let's remove the tape on the back. Wow, I botched that, didn't I? Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, yeah, that was a big botch. Big botch. Alright, there we go. All the plastic removed. Let's get this out of here. Let's get this out of here too. And here you go. A really nice, inexpensive case that I picked up for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And this actually looks really, really good. That dark blue with the nice light blue for the device, that looks really good. And y'all can see we got full protection for the cameras. We have all the precision cutouts. Fully protected buttons with a nice little lanyard strap. And we got a nice cutout for our mute slider here. Really, really nice stuff. Let's check the clickiness. Still super clicky. And then look at the screen. So once you hit a 25-degree angle, you can't see it. Really, really nice. And once you're straight on, you have no problem seeing it. And the fluidity is really nice as well. So everything works perfectly. Almost as if I don't have a screen protector on my device. So really, really nice screen protector. Really, really nice case. And let's test the MagSafe. Okay. Let me get my thing. I should have had it closer, but nice little MagSafe ring, goes on no problems. And now I have a kickstand, and this will also work with the MagSafe accessories in my car. So now I can watch social media or take video calls, no problems. Okay, in the different orientations. See how easy it is to take off? Really easy to take off. Let's rest this down. Let me grab my MagSafe phone stand here. Let's test this. Should work with this, no problems. Yep, really, really nice. So it works with my MagSafe phone stand. I get my different orientations. Really, really nice. And what's perfect here is I still have maximum functionality, but I have full protection. Okay? So, one last thing I want to check, and I'm going to do it on camera for everyone. So let's bring in one of my MagSafe wireless chargers. And this one is already hooked up. And we can check the MagSafe. So let's do portrait. Let me line it up. It drops on. It starts charging. Now, my bad. I kind of did it quick because, you know, privacy screen. Can't really see it that good unless you at a certain angles. So the MagSafe works perfectly fine. And then if you want to put it in nightstand mode, you just have to rotate it. Goes into nightstand mode perfectly fine. So all of my features work. Then I can easily just pull my device off and use it. So this is a really, really good full-featured case in my opinion, because I get maximum functionality for my device and I get full protection for my device as well. So first impressions of the case and privacy tempered glass screen protector that I picked up for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, it does seem to be really, really good. All right. And that, guys and gals, pretty much brings a close to this video. Now, I'm going to use this for a good amount of time. I may or may not come out with a full review on both of these accessories. I might still, because it was relatively inexpensive and it does give you full protection with full privacy if you use this combination of tempered glass screen protector and case. Okay, so I might still come out with full reviews on both of these, but this will be the primary setup for in terms of protection and functionality for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And going forward, aside from the full review process, this will be one of the main production devices on the channel alongside my Pixel 6a, which is what I'm using to record this video here today. And also alongside my Moto Edge 2020. Now, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, that's actually gone. I actually gave that to a friend of mine. Her battery expanded and she needed a new device. You know what it is. My favorite people, if I have something and they need it and I can do without it, or I have other things that I can put in its place, then they get it. No questions asked. That's a favorite person thing. That's how that goes. But she needed a new device. I was able to pick this up for a really great deal. So I figured, why not? And I also want to see if I can convert fully over to iOS. Now, I've been using iOS for a while now, but I haven't been fully converted. Okay? I still do a large majority of my daily things on Android devices. But I'm going to see if I can transfer everything from my main Android device to the iPhone 13 Pro Max here and put it through the review process, and then also fully use it as a main daily driver. So all of my important things will be installed on it, and we'll see how it functions long after we go through the review process. And then even after that long extended review is done, I'm still going to be using it as a production device for the channel. So just a real quick what to look forward to moving forward. And keep in mind, all of this coverage starts and continues, because we still got to wrap up coverage on the iPhone 15 Plus after I finish my coverage on the Google Pixel Watch first generation. Okay? So we do have a lot more things that we're going to cover on the channel. So I hope you guys and gals stay tuned, because more videos are coming soon. Hope everyone's having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. And I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace. All right, I'm about to go find me some food, man. I'm hungry. Have a good one, everyone. Catch you on the next one. We're out of here. Peace.